Hairstyle. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I achieve one of my favorite hairstyle, and that is the messy bun. If you are new here, hi, my name is Christine and I'm so happy to have you guys right here on my channel. Feel free to join the family. Just go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. Also click on the notification bell, that way you can get notified whenever I post brand new videos. And if you are coming back, I just would like to say welcome. So the very first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to spritz my hair. And then I'm gonna smooth the water in. Next, I'm gonna put all of my hair up in one. Just like so. And then I'm gonna get the back of the hair. I'm then gonna take out my little side pieces. Not too much, because we want it to look like a messy bun, but not too messy, if you understand where I'm coming from. Okay, so I'm gonna take one of my favorite gel, the daddy gel. I love this gel, guys. I'm gonna take a little bit. I'm gonna apply some to the back of the hair. Next, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take off my baby hairs gently. I'm gonna smooth some of the daddy gel onto the sides. To get that nice polished look. I'm gonna then take my edge brush I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Okay, I like how these flyaways are looking. I'm gonna proceed by putting more water onto the hair. You're noticing I am not focusing on my ends. They are already moisturized, soft. Applying a little more gel. Now I'm gonna take my scrunchie, my headband, and I'm gonna do another loop.
If it was new, it won't be like
and then I'm gonna tuck the hair over effortlessly. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and fix the bun to my liking. So some of the flyaways, I'm gonna take them and then I'm gonna tuck them under. Okay, there's another flyaway here. I'm gonna tuck it under. And that's it. So you guys saw how easy it was. This is my messy bun. I'm loving it, guys. I'm gonna turn around now to show you guys how it looks in the back. And that's it, guys. I love it. And to complete this look, I'm gonna add in my loop earrings. And that's it. I love this style, guys. I just love when my hair is all the way up in a bun. I love it. And there you see my baby hair. I love it. So this style, guys, can be used for anything, whether you're going on a nice date night, whether you're going to work, whether you're going to run some errands. This style, it is chic and it is comfortable. It is everything, guys. I love me some messy bun hairstyle. On the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart. So guys, as you can see, it took me about less than 5 minutes. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what's your favorite hairstyle and also what gel you love to use when you're doing your messy bun. So guys, if you love this video, do give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on that bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To every